Hey guys, it's Ruby with Unorthodox Aquatics, and I just got back from an awesome day of fishing. Check this out. Okay, so I'm here in my garage with the pool pond, and what do we have here? I moved the netting. Here, let me move the bucket closer. A gorgeous crappie. And now we have a beautiful rock bass. So cool. Let me cover this back up. Now this lid is made with a casting net that goes all the way around the pool and is held down by weights, as you can see. Whoops, focus. Anyway, so that's kind of what's going on right here. So it's the next day, and I am going to go to one of my favorite little fishing spots and see if I can catch a couple more things to put in the pool. Alright guys, I'm back, and I'm going to put that little bass and bluegill in here. There's the bass. There he goes. And I gotta catch the dang thing. Here we go. All right. So thanks for joining me, guys, yesterday and today for my little fishing trips. And we will keep you updated on the pool pond. And thank you very much for tuning in. Check me out on my OnlyFans. I'm Fish Girl. So thanks again, Ruby, Unorthodox Aquatics. Subscribe if you like. If not, that's fine too. Thanks for watching. Bye.